Dom, what are we doing today?
All right, guys, we are back with another fun video. Before we talk about that, do check out our new studio backdrop. We have put some time into it. We have some stuff from older videos, these Wolverine claws, as you can see. The YouTube studio is coming along.
It is.
We will need to do a full studio tour later, but today we are solving a problem. Landon and I have been in a Nerf war that is starting to escalate in the lab, and we have to step it up to level 8. We're at level 1 right now, obviously. So the idea today is fireballs. We have the Nerf Arrival and Gel Fire Legion. And we're gonna try 2 different methods of taking gasoline and lighting these on fire so that we can project them and shoot each other with fireballs.
Yeah.
That is what we're up to. All right, this is gonna be fun. So do you think these will absorb any or no?
I don't think so.
Gotcha.
So with this one, they use a little like Orby sort of ammunition, and what our plan is, originally you're supposed to put these in water and they kind of just absorb the water, but we're going to put it in gasoline and then ignite them on the way out of the barrel.
Safely
And controlled with a fire extinguisher.
Yes, we do have a fire extinguisher, so do not worry, Mom.
Yes. Are we both struggling to figure these out?
We're both struggling to put together 10-year-old toys.
We've got these little Orbeez. We're gonna fill this cup with some gasoline, and hopefully they'll absorb it. Trigger kind of feels hard to press for some reason. Ah.
What was the issue?
I don't know. Try it. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So, but I want to try with these too. I really do. Because I think these would be cool because they would catch a little bigger.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's try it.
I do want to look at it real quick.
Yeah.
Pull that pin and squeeze.
Try it. Right in the light.
Right in the light. Awesome. Hey, at least it wasn't towards the camera. That actually looks so cool.
Inhale it.
Oh, you're right about the inhaling part. Oh, sorry about that.
All right, I'm gonna hold this right here. Would you mind just taking the tape and
just wrapping it? That looks cool.
We're just getting ready to test it. We have our gasoline-coated ammunition loaded. We're gonna test it with one first and then see if it ignites. If it doesn't, then we're gonna have to re-dip it because it's looking a little dry. Safety.
Do not do this at home.
Yep.
We did set up the heat pad right here and we have cleared everything. I have the fire extinguisher. For real, this is a professional experiment in a professional lab, you might say. And I will be here ready to extinguish you at all costs.
Sit. No fire.
All right. No flames on test 1.
No flames on test 1.
Test 2.
All right, that should be pretty soaked. Ready, steady. She's too
wet.
big. So we have since switched from gasoline to acetone just because the acetone lights a lot quicker, and we were having issues with the gasoline not wanting to light just because it was shooting out of this way too fast for it to actually ignite. So we've switched to acetone and it seems to be working pretty great. We'll show you. If you think what we're doing is cool and you want to see more content like this, like, subscribe so we can keep doing what we're doing. All right, guys, that was the end of this video. We ended up turning a Nerf gun into a fireball cannon, and it looked amazing. I think it turned out really great.
Very cool.
Yeah, if you haven't already seen one of our other videos, we made some Wolverine claws, and those turned out amazing as well. So if you haven't seen that video, go check that out. Dominic?
I will put the video right here. And if you guys want to see us take a much larger version of this gun and upgrade it and light some more things on fire, do let us know about that. But until then, we will see you guys in the next video. For sure.
Aftermath.
It certainly has a distinguished flavor.
Distinguished gentlemen.